So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Isocapnic Breathe Way Better respiratory trainer device. This right here. I reached out to Isocapnic regarding the respiratory trainer, not necessarily for the endurance training that I do, but for a recovery from a surgery. I heard and I spoke with Luke and Dr. Sellers regarding the Isocapnic Breathe Way Better device, and both said that not only does it help the respiratory system for endurance athletes and athletes alike, but can also help improve the healing process and the strengthening of the respiratory system post-operative as well. So full disclosure, they sent me this trainer so that we could go through the motions, sort of build up my respiratory system pre-op, so before surgery, and sort of see how the benefits can roll out post-op as well, and then dovetail back into my endurance training. So today, we're gonna see what's in the box, and we're gonna test it out. And we're gonna get started on some of the workouts that come with it, and really excited to see what the results can be. So inside the Isocapnic Iso Breathe Way Respiratory Trainer box, let's open it up and see what we have. We have respiratory trainer manual, have the mouthpiece, we have the Breathe Way device manifold, which helps regulate air and carbon dioxide. And we also have the rebreather bag. So assembling the Breathe Way Better device is quite simple. There's only three pieces. You have your mouthpiece and your manifold, and it only goes on one way. And then you have your rebreather bag. Pressure fit, you're ready to go. So there are many different types of workouts you can do with the Breathe Way Better device. It's all available on the app. I'm going to be using it for my pre-surgery prep for my open heart surgery coming up in a few weeks. I've been working with Coach Luke and Dr. Sellers to create a program for me to do a pre-op sort of build so I can help my respiratory system be in the best possible shape for surgery, and also coming out of surgery be in a good spot where we can continue to work on the breathing techniques and whatnot, strengthening the system, which will also help increase hopefully the healing effect sort of post-op. So that's my plan for the next few weeks. I will post another video after, just to sort of share sort of how I felt it went, and sort of how the prep and how the Breathe Way Better device is working out for me that way. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, don't forget to hit the like button below and hit the subscribe button for more future content.